Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to enable don't distribute mode or silent mode. To do this operation, slide upper bar, and here you have a sound. One, vibrate, phone gonna be vibrate only, and mute, phone gonna have any sound and vibrate on it. Second option of to do this is to press volume down. You have a vibration mode. Phone hasn't got any sounds, but has got vibrate. If you want to mute, you should put this one more time, and phone hasn't got a vibrate and sound. To get back to your sound and turn off the don't distribute mode, just tap it and you have a sound. So your phone gonna be sound and vibrate. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. See you by next video. Hey.